The 2022 Maruti Suzuki Brezza will be the first SUV from Maruti's 2022 lineup. The new SUV has been already spied without camouflage, revealing many design details. The new Brezza is heavily updated on the front and rear end styling, but was given simple design theme instead of too much design elements what other cars offering today. The new Brezza will receive a new grille, bumper and headlight design. Also new is a redesigned clamshell style bonnet and new front fenders. Even with all these changes, it still retains the Brezza look. There's no way one could mistake this car with another. In this facelift, the side didn't benefit out much as it looks almost same to the existing version, but the rear gets a redesigned taillight with the number plate housing moved lower down and the large Brezza branding taking the space left between the new wraparound tail lights. The rear bumper also has been reprofiled with the Fox kit plate. Another major change will be the drop of the Vitara prefix to the SUV's name, which hints a rebirth of the classic Grand Vitara in new form in the future. The interior will be more upmarket with dual tone dashboard and a floating infotainment system with new user interface and new features. Other features include a wireless charger, pedal shifters for automatic variants, a SIM-based connectivity which helps in geofencing, real tracking among others. Powering the Brezza will be the same 1.5-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with mild hybrid tech, developing 105 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque, but expected to be more fuel efficient and refined. All these changes are expected to arrive at a premium cost, which will fall between 8 to 10 lakhs ex-showroom, almost matching its key rivals Kia Sonet and Hyundai Venue. Even we have witnessed the fully undisguised car, the launch is still away from us, which is expected to happen mid-2022. Thanks for watching.